Hello friends, I welcome all of you from UPSC Super Simplified. Myself Yogesh Devkar and I am here discussing the essay topic of Internet Harbinger of Silent Revolution. Here I enlisted some of the common mistakes mm, done by the learners. That first of all, many are making big paragraph. You should make a small paragraph of 5 to 8 lines. It is very important, and there is a missing of a flow in your essay writing, that you should use a proper connectors to maintain a flow. I uploaded the connectors PDF in the essay group. Kindly look into it. uh, some of learners I think not making a proper blueprint, so there is a missing of prioritizing points, like there is a jumbling of some dimensions. So kindly make a proper blueprint, invest 10 to 15 to 20 minutes in it, so that there should be a flow and prioritize of a point in your essay. Some of the learners are making very general conclusion, so you should make a specific point in your conclusion that should be unique, and futuristic perspective should be there. Here are some keywords from our essay topic. That first keyword is internet revolution and harbinger. Here internet means connection of web or network of networks. Revolution means, here revolution means, here actually word is silent revolution. It means the revolution which is different from the uh, previous blood-shedding revolution, like French Revolution, Russian Revolution, etc. So here revolution means uh, the internet things influence your every corner of your life, like day-to-day life is influenced by internet. So you should focus on that. And this keyword is very important because many are missing about writing about this keyword. That harbinger means actually uh, forerunner of something, or something announces that something is happening in near soon or near future. So you have to uh, write a futuristic perspective about what will going to happen, or you should imagine future world with internet. So the next thing is introduction. Mm, some learners are wrote a good introduction with anecdote or historical perspective. Here you can use anecdote, some story, like how your day-to-day life is affected by the internet, from your waking uh, up to sleeping. That is, you are ordering food through online, you are making appointment with doctors online, you are matching your marriage partner with online. That there is also matching up only online, etc. You can use in anecdote, some short story you can use it. You can also use historical background, like how this internet silent revolution is different from some violent revolution, or mm, how this your revolution is different from industrial revolution, and how these are affecting your day-to-day life. Or you can use a general statement like internet, what is internet means, and what is silent revolution meaning, and how it can be a harbinger of silent revolution. So you can use that. Next part is body. In body part, you need to write about how internet affects various field and what will be its futuristic implication, and how it affects your day-to-day life, and what will be its national international implications. So here I enlisted some fields, like if there is a social dimensions, you need to write about social media, how Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc. are changing, mm, uh, changing your life, or what should its perspective about silent revolution, like through social media you are connecting world over, your connections world over, you are making a video conferencing friends all over world. Yeah, Twitter is making a hashtag, various hashtag movements like uh, right to pay campaign, stop sexual harassment, etc. at workplace. There are various movements. So this is a new approach to handle the things. So it is a revolutionary. You need to repeat this keyword in your writing, so that there should be consistency, or you should not divert from the topic. Internet also connected world, uh, that is it's seeding national boundaries, and citizenship became global citizenship, or it is also called netizens. So you can highlight this like term. uh, I previously covered about video conferencing. You can connect with every nook and corner of the world, and uh, do a video conferencing. Also, various now this corona pandemic, various government initiatives are focusing on video conferencing, like leaders conference, PM CM's conference, also did through video conferencing. In political perspective, you can say write about method of political campaign is changed. There is also online registering, awareness generation through Vigil app, or Cambridge Analytica incident where Donald Trump influenced uh, voting through internet. So also include post-truth politics or post-truth world. So you can imagine future perspective, future election should be only online, like voter scan, vote online. So this can be happened. So next is agriculture field. In this, now you can talk about how internet changed the agriculture field, like precision agriculture through connection of various agricultural devices through use of IoT. You can decide how many percentage of fertilizer should given to plants, and percentage of water, etc. So production of agriculture will be increased. There are also marketing strategies included. There is also concept of digital marketing now taking a concept of digital marketing. There is national agricultural market. It is based on internet, that farmers can sell their products through internet, and also get a high price. There is also farmers awareness campaign, online advertisement, farmers are getting market updates through internet, weather update through internet. Also there are various WhatsApp group of farmers. Direct lab to land connectivity also increased through internet. You can also talk about Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, because through this using mobile, farmers can take picture and upload through internet. So you have to write about what are the revolutionary things going to happen through the use of internet. So this can happen. Farmers group also selling their produce through the internet to direct buyer. This can be happen. Same things we have to explore about education field, like how education is education is changed, like a traditional mode of education to online mode of education. Through in this uh, corona pandemic also, education changed their shape. The like school are educating children through online education. The mode of education changed, like we also connected through the internet medium, etc. We have to wrote about. In health sector there are also revolutionary approach, because in villages Expert doctors are connected through the remote villages through the internet. There is also online drug delivery, like for example, 1mg is delivering online. Also diagnosis also did through online. So you have to write about that, like various dietitian also taking online lectures. You can schedule an appointment with doctors using internet. So your day-to-day life is uh, changed through the internet. So you have to address these points. The next futuristic perspective is IoT, AI. IoT means Internet of Things, artificial intelligence. How these are changing your day-to-day life, like using IoT. You can, in future you can park your car at desired location. In artificial intelligence, uh, you can developing self-drive car, etc. So you have to focus on these aspects because this is very important. You have to write separate paragraphs on that. Next topic is how internet is shaping disaster management, like awareness generation, early warning in disaster management, etc. So you can write about that. In economy, there is a share market. Share market is completely now online. uh, from the traditional It's changed from the traditional aspects, and it connected through the world. There are If internet is shut down, there is a huge loss to the share market. You have to address these points in challenges. There is also online food delivery, like various applications like Zomato, Swiggy, etc. are delivering food online. You can book ticket online through the internet, book cab, etc. So you have to enlist these things in your essay writing. And you should also write a futuristic perspective, because essay topic is about in internet is a harbinger of silent revolution. So you have to address that. You can also write about online shopping, fundraising through online direct, Milap, Needy Can, Mina Foundation, etc. So there is also criminal investigation change, like crime and criminal tracking networking systems are used by police for criminal tracking. The next thing is entertainment. Various OTT platforms are emerging, like Amazon, Netflix, etc. And it is different from the traditional platform, like traditional platform encompassing that cinema hall, cable and satellite television. So these are completely internet based entertainment, and becoming very popular nowadays. So you can write about that. The internet also changed how government works. uh, like traditional government changed, that governance is also shifting from governance to e-governance, etc. So you have to write about that. Like you can list here some of the e-governance initiative, like my government. You can give suggestions to government. That Pragati portal means that proactive governance and timely implementation. You can also write about uh, common service center. So here you are getting your you can get digital services from the government. You can also talk about e-courts, how courts are changed from courts to e-courts, like it's administration to administration, like use of ICT, computerization of data. You can also highlight that G1 Praman. You can also talk about that PMG Disha, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan, that aims to make a 6 crore people digitally literate. Swayam portal. In education, you can also write about that MOOC, that massive online open course that is government initiative, digital initiative to educate. So these are the I enlisted here general dimensions and how to explore that. There are many dimensions you can cover. The next body parts will be there are various challenges like dark web, through dark web various terrorist organizations spreading their propaganda, hiring individuals for terrorist activities. There is a child pornography, etc. Various inhuman activities did through dark web. So these are some of the challenges regarding internet. The new concept of online stalking of women. So you can write about that. The rising digital crime like phishing, farming, etc. Are emerging as a new threat. That some viruses like ransomware, previous ransomware is there, so it causes huge panic to the industry. So you have to address these points as the challenges, because internet is a harbinger of silent revolution, but that revolution should be secured from that these attackers or cyber attackers. That also there is the issue of monopoly of some on internet, like there is monopoly of waste in handling internet, etc. Because these are the early reapers of the benefits of internet. And there is also a digital divide, because like India versus Bharat, east versus west, etc. So you can write about that. There is also internet addiction. uh, Internet addiction causes some psychological problems to individual. Also there is a game addiction like blue whale, PUBG, etc. So various children and youth getting addicted to this game. There is also fake news. Fake news is spreading fastly through the social media or internet. Like there is a previously a fake news about that child lifter is there, and it caused huge panic. So these are the some bad effects of internet, or some of the challenges you one can say about bad effects, but they are the challenges of the internet, so you have to address in that. And the next part is conclusion. In uh, in conclusion, you should write action oriented points. Action oriented. Here action oriented means you have to write some points that that are change the way the internet is working. That the action should be on individual basis, that individual should use internet wisely. There should be ethical use of internet. At society level, what should be action should be taken at national level, international level. Similarly, you have to write your own points that should be implemented, so that there is a wise use of internet, and that that the internet revolutionary should benefits uh, should be equally reaped by all. That you can also predict some nice scenario like through internet the future things will be that every child is learning by sitting home, that parents are also working at sitting home, they are taking care of their child, etc. That you can imagine any situation, uh, like there is a better world through the use of internet. Like some traffic should not be there, because uh, for petty reasons the traffic is jam, or everyone is traveling, traveling for shopping, traveling for office. That should be avoided in some cases, like service sector jobs can be did through work from home, etc. You can imagine any situation what would be future world through the internet. And you should end a essay on positive note, that though there are some challenges like this and but the internet is a revolutionary, and the world is uh, doing better things through the use of internet. So you have to write this in your conclusion. And you should also add some unique specific point of your perspective, like though internet is a great thing, but man should not because various robots are there, robots development is happening, so man is behaving like a machine, or man is making machine. So these are some scenario you can use on a positive note, that man is making some beautiful world, etc., through the use of internet. So thank you learners for listening, and keep writing, keep learning, keep improving. All the best.